Hello everybody, Miss Johns here. I'm going to be showing you today in this video how to log into Edsby to find all of the materials that your child, or if you're watching this, hi guys, I miss you. I'm going to be showing you how to find all of the information, all of the content, everything you will need to start this online learning process. So the first thing that you'll need to do is get to this page. So the way you get to Edsby is you'll go up to your browser and type in sdhc.edsby.com, and it should bring you to this page right here. Make sure it says Hillsborough County Public Schools, okay? And the way that you'll sign in is you will use the same login information that you do for Clever, okay? So I'm going to be signing in with my information, but please remember that you use the information that you log into Clever with. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, and we'll give that a moment to log in. Okay, and now once that I've logged in, it brings me to a page that looks like this. Yours might look a little different than mine, and that is okay. The most important thing you need to make sure you do is you get into your class. So for example, my morning class, if you're with me in the morning, you are my AM class. If you are in my afternoon class, you are in my PM class. So I'm just going to go into AM class to show you, okay? Now, once you enter your class, this is what you will see. You'll notice a few things on this page, and a lot of these things are extremely important, so listen carefully, okay? In the middle of the page here is something called the news river, okay? This is where you will find all of the posts and all of the assignments that I've been adding, okay? Any messages that I post will show up here, so make sure you look at it carefully every single day, okay? Another important thing that you'll need to see is over on the right-hand side, there is a journal, okay? The journal shows you what we are going to be doing for the specific week. So in the journal right now is what we will be doing for week 1. Now you'll see down here at the bottom too, you have a PowerPoint file you can click on, okay? This PowerPoint will be in multiple places, so you can look at it here, and I'll show you where else you can see it too, where it might be a little easier to open, okay? Now, the most important place to look always whenever you log on to Edsby, you'll scroll down and you'll be on the left-hand side over here. You'll scroll down under Content, okay? Now under Content, you'll want to click on whatever week you are currently in. So coming up, we'll be working on week 1. So I'm going to click on week 1 e-learning. Okay, we'll give that a second to load. Okay, so when week 1 loads, this is what you should see. It has an opening page. You'll see my little welcome picture here. Okay, the first page kind of gives an overview of what is expected from you for the week. Please always read this very carefully. Okay, so it'll show you the assignments that are due to me. Some assignments will be on notebook paper, and some of them will actually be through Edsby, okay? And you'll see those when you log in. Now, also, if there are some words that are in blue, like what I'm pointing to now, that means they are a link, and you can actually click on those to use them for your work. So this week, you'll need to log into Myon, so I have a link for Myon. And we'll be working on text structure again, which should be a review. And I also included a text structure game you could play for some extra practice, okay? So that's kind of just an overview. Now, let me show you where you find the most important information that shows you how to complete your assignments for the week, okay? So you'll go back over here under Content, and you'll click on Week 1 e-learning PowerPoint. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see a little blue link here. I want you to click on that. It will bring you to a new tab, okay? And this PowerPoint will tell you everything that you need to do for the whole week for reading and for writing, okay? So let's say it's Monday and you're on week 1, day 1. That'll be the very first slide here, okay? Week 1, day 1. Okay, and this will give you the directions for what you need to do for reading. You'll notice you need to log into Myon, okay? You all should know how to log on to Myon. It's the same way you log into Clever. You have some specific directions, what exactly to read, and some questions to answer. In this case, these answers will just go on notebook paper. Now for other days, like for example, day 2, you will have a quiz through Edsby. So you'll need to log on to Edsby to complete that assignment. It'll be an online quiz. So make sure you pay attention to where your assignments should be completed for each day. Okay? Now for writing, for the first week, we'll be doing some journal entries. Okay? So make sure that you are checking for what you should be writing about each day. Okay? This PowerPoint will give you all of the information that you need for completing all of the assignments. I will be posting these PowerPoints weekly. So this PowerPoint is just for week 1. Okay? Let's go back to Edsby. Right? Now you'll see I haven't added anything in week 2 and 3 yet. That'll come later. But if you look at the bottom, I've posted some extra resources, games, brain breaks, just some extra things for you to do, say if you finish your work early or if you get a little bit ahead. These are some activities that you can do in your spare time. So we'll give that just a minute to load. Okay, so here's the page, and you'll notice again you have some blue links at the bottom. I will probably be adding more of these resources as time goes, but you can click right on these words and it'll take you straight to another website to where you can do some online games, some reading games, take virtual field trips. Okay, so you can always refer here to do some extra activities. Okay. Now, not only is there reading and writing, make sure you are checking out social studies as well. Okay, you will be expected to complete work for reading and writing for me. Make sure you are checking Miss Tanner's work as well for math and science. And you will also be expected to do some social studies. Okay, social studies will look very similar to the way reading and writing looked. Okay, I'll show you in just a second. We'll give this a second to load. Okay, so here's the social studies page for my class. Now, if you're in Miss Tanner's homeroom, yours may look a little different, okay? But it's basically the same as for reading and writing, okay? You'll have some directions on the first page, step 1, step 2, step 3, and you'll have a reading response to complete in Edsby, okay? So those assignments should pop up whenever you're on your home page, okay? For me, it's on the right-hand side, but since I'm the teacher, it may look a little different. Okay, if you have any questions on where to locate anything in Edsby, please make sure you reach out to me and check Edsby daily. It's very, very important that you do that. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for now. If you have any questions, like I said, about Edsby, where to find anything, please reach out to me and let me know. I'm very happy to help you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.